Welcome to the Motus Video Zone. With your copy of the Motus K53 book and these easy-to-follow videos, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to pass your test with flying colors. In this short video, we'll look at emergency braking and how you'll be marked on your ability to bring your vehicle to a safe stop in as short a distance as possible. It is crucial that you master this skill in order to be prepared in the event of an emergency, such as a child running into the road. At a time when it is safe to do so, your examiner will give you the instruction, stop. This instruction will not be given if there is following or approaching traffic, and only whilst proceeding on a straight road at a speed higher than 20 kilometers per hour, but not exceeding 40 kilometers per hour. On instruction, you must bring the vehicle to a complete standstill in the shortest possible distance without locking your wheels or losing control. You must not slam on the brakes as hard as possible. This can cause your wheels to lock your vehicle to skid, and you'll be penalized. If you cause the brakes to lock, you must immediately release pressure on the brake pedal. You may be asked by the examiner to repeat the emergency stop if not executed properly. You will be allowed only 2 attempts. So, in summary, don't lock your brakes and cause the vehicle to skid. Keep your vehicle traveling in a straight line. If you enter another lane, this will be considered dangerous and you will fail. And that's it. Remember, these videos are here to help you better understand all the steps outlined in your Motus K53 book. So keep practicing and stay alert, stay safe, and stay ahead with Motus. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more K53 tips, competitions, and exciting prizes.